Hey there, this is Linda, and I'm here to show another little unboxing. I decided that I wanted to shop locally more and check out more indie artists, so that is why every once in a while, I'm going to share like a little unboxing of something that I've purchased from an indie artist here in Italy or maybe somewhere in Europe in general. And so this time around, I bought from SweetNanaShop, and I just found her on Instagram and just like the little stickers and designs that she had, so just made a little order. So I'm going to go through and show you what I got. They're basically like planner sticker sheets, and I know there are a lot of shops that have these, and there are a lot of like really big famous shops out there, but there are also a lot of indie shops, so definitely help them out and support them if you like their designs. So this one is super cute. That looks like Minnie Mouse. And of course I got the coffee one and a baby one, and these are the freebies that I got with my order. So like loads of little tidbits to try out. SweetNanaShop, you can find them, or you can find her on Etsy, her shop, so you can go check out that. And I also picked up some of her washi tapes, and they're like super cute. Definitely like kawaii style. If you like this type of style of designs, then you would love her shop and her designs. And definitely there are new releases and new characters every so often, so you definitely want to check back and follow her on Instagram if you want to see what is new. And of course, this is in Italy, and I know that sometimes they post a lot in Italian stuff, but I'm pretty sure they most of these shops, they are very much into the planner community, and I'm pretty sure they all speak English as well. So another thing I ordered were these magnetic clips, and they're so cute. There's like this pink bow that's sort of like a faux-ish kind of leather. Actually, I don't know if it's real leather or faux leather, but like sort of like a pebbled leather. And it has like the little magnetic clips, so just really cute for deco and that kind of thing. You can obviously, clip papers together in your planner or use it just for deco. I don't know if I necessarily like clip a lot of papers together. For me, it's mostly like deco. And there was this star one that's like sort of shiny iridescent. Very, very cool. So I ordered that as well, and I'm going to add that to my desk planner and my everyday carry. Just again, more for deco purposes rather than for actual using it. I know a lot of people use like ollie clips and things like that, but I've never really, I don't know, I don't think the ollie clips are that cute. So I much prefer like these types of designs. So when I see something that I like, I definitely want to pick it up. So that was my just little order from SweetNanaShop, and I will be sharing every once in a while when I pick up something from like an indie shop and share it with you, just to like sort of spread the love and get people to know a little bit more about indie shops that exist out there. So thanks so much for joining me for this little quickie haul video. And if you didn't already know, my name is Linda. I blog on tortagialla.com, and on my blog you can find loads and loads of free printables that I have been posting for years and years. They are all free on my blog for personal use. You just go to the blog and the particular post, and the download links are already included in the post, so there's no strings attached or anything like that. So lots of patterned papers, stationery, sort of like related printables. And if you do sign up for my newsletter, then you will get an exclusive pack of digital papers and obviously more updates and information about me. So visit tortagialla.com. Thanks.